Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
Of course, no. So because of those reports, no, it creates fear sa tao, no, nakulbaan na, nag-decrease na aton confidence sa vaccine. And that is why I really appreciate that our government, such as this kind of initiative by our Iloilo City government, can really help a lot to educate and disseminate proper information and to help the people understand na we always have to weigh the risk and the benefit. And we all know that taking a COVID-19 vaccine, the benefit outweighs the risk. So mas dako ang benepisyo nga makuha ta by taking the vaccine, no, rather than hindi kita magpa-vaccine.